What did you say, Chloe?
I said, can I please?
That's not what you said. What did you say about the monster?
What?
Did James do what?
Another one.
What did you say about the monster?
Did get the monster sauce?
Did he do what?
Did things get the monster sauce?
Did he do what?
Did things get the monster sauce?
Did he get the monster's mask?
Uh-huh.
Can you say it again? Did James do what?
Did things get the monster sauce?
Did he get the monster mask?
Uh-huh.
Say mask.
Mask.
Say, did James get the monster mask?
Did things get the monster's ass?
No, he didn't. Here's your chocolate. You're welcome. Did James get the monster's mask?
Uh-huh.
Can you ask? This is funny.
Uh-huh.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say no monsters here.
No monsters here.
Say peace out.
Bye. Can I see ya?